I am Dr. Vinita Bhadoria, Associate Professor of English in Government College, Behror. Welcome in this video on Nazim Ezekiel. Today I am going to discuss his poem Night of the Scorpion, its introduction and explanation. In the previous video on Nazim Ezekiel, I have discussed in brief his life and career and major books and one of his poem in detail, The Enterprises, which is prescribed in your course. Night of the Scorpion was first published in the volume The Exact Name in 1965 and it is considered as one of the finest poems of Nazim Ezekiel. It is highly admired as a flawless piece of poetic composition. It is a brilliant narrative poem with dramatic intensity, a beauty of imagery, musical subtlety, and richness. This poem shows that Ezekiel is a typical Indian poet whose interest in the Indian soil and in ordinary human events of day to day Indian life is superb. The theme of the poem, The Night of the Scorpion, is the effort of the father and the pigeons to save the mother from the effect of the poison of a scorpion. The poem is highly symbolic. The title of the poem itself suggestive of the evil. The word night stands as a symbol of darkness along with the scorpion, which suggests evil. Evil gives suffering as the Scorpio poisons moves in the mother's blood, her suffering increases. Evil is active in darkness. It is in the darkness of the night that evil symbolized in the Scorpio enters the mother's body through the bite. Evil has always been associated with darkness in human psyche. Suffering is a sort of purgation that helps in removing the darker patch in human mind. The, the superstition and unenlightened peasants are aware of the forces of darkness and evil, and they are in search of catharsis through suffering. The two symbols of darkness and light have been systematically developed in the poem. These two symbols are juxtaposed in the very beginning, and as the poem advances, the poet builds upon the whole structure of his fascinating architecture. The slow moving poison of the syndromic scorpion into the very veins of creation, dulling the clear vision of human thought and enveloping the whole humanity in the darker shade of confusion, more chaotic troubles. The language of the poem is simple and conversational. Repetitive words are employed to highlight the crisis of the time. The Night of the Scorpion is a 8 stanza poem, each stanza of which contains between 3 and 18 lines. This is one of Ezekiel's first poems. It was first anthologized in Collected Poems 1952 to 1988. The poem is written in free verse, means it does not contain a rhyme scheme. This choice adds to the seriousness of the poem's subject matter and deadly nature of the story the poet tells. I remember the night my mother was stung by a scorpion. 10 hours of steady rain had driven him to crawl beneath a sack of rice. From the very beginning of the poem, the speaker is starting the story of how his mother was stung by a scorpion. Ezekiel does not use unnecessary phrasing or extra words, he gets right to the point. He describes how the scorpion had been driven inside by fast rain and has decided to hide himself beneath a sack of rice. In the first stanza there are only 4 lines, but in second stanza, which proceeds in the same way, is of only 3 lines. Parting with his poison, flash a diabolic tale. Diabolic is poisonous. In the dark room, he risked the rain again. In this stanza, poet describes the action of the Scorpio He portrays the creatures as being purposefully diabolical, is poisonous, a thought that will directly relate to the beliefs and actions of those that attend the speaker's mother. The scorpion moves quickly before anyone can do anything. He parts himself with his poison and runs back outside to risk the weather again. The peasants came like swarms of flies and buzzed the name of God 100 times to paralyze the evil one. In this stanza, poet says that hearing about the incident, the villagers rush to the poet's home. However, he is not happy with them and calls them swarm of flies. Is a proverb he has used. Swarm of flies means group of insects. So people are coming in groups who buzz the name of God. Buzz is taken the name of God 100 times of to paralyze the evil one. Paralyze the evil one. They are cursing Scorpio. With candles and with lanterns, throwing giant Scorpio shadows on the mud baked walls, they searched for him. He was not found. They clicked their tongues with every movement that the Scorpio made his poison moved. In mother's blood, they said. The poet here explains how the villagers searched for the Scorpio. According to him, the villagers began searching for the Scorpio, and their shadows themselves seemed to be like a giant Scorpio on the mud walls. The villagers began searching for the Scorpio because they believed that the poison is spread across the body with the movement of Scorpio. So, if the latter is stopped and paralyzed, the poison effect can also be controlled. This is a superstition, and poet knows that well. This is why he hates the coming of villagers to his home. The stanza also depicts the Indianness that prevails a number of other poems as well. They are trying to search the Scorpio with the help of candles and lanterns, because at that time when the poem is written, electricity is not properly in the villages. Electricity is not completely used in villages. May he sit still, they said. May the sins of your previous birth be burned away tonight, they said. In these lines, the pigeons, having failed in finding the Scorpio, they begin their they begin giving their opinions, and they interpret the biting of the Scorpio. Some of them said that his mother's sins, which she committed in his previous birth, have been forgiven. It is believed in Hinduism that man has some previous birth. The others assumed that she is going to die and said that the pain that she is suffering from will decrease the troubles in her next birth. Some other put forward that her good deeds will be balanced against her bad deeds because of the bite of the Scorpio. So these are all superstitions. May your suffering decrease the most misfortune of your next birth, they said. May the sum of all evil, balanced in this unreal world against the sum of good, become diminished by your own pain. May the pure poison purify your flesh. Some of them said that the poison will purify and refresh her flesh of desire and her spirit of ambition. All of them seemed to be in peace because of their thoughts of desires and your spirit of ambition, if they said, and they sat around on the floor with my mother in the center, the peace of understanding on each face. They are feeling satisfied, and they thought that the poison will purify and refresh her desires and ambitions. So they are in peace now. And they are watching only what her mother suffering from. More candles, more lanterns, more neighbors, more insects, and the endless rain. My mother twisted through and through, groaning on a mat. My father, septic rationalist, trying every curse and blessing, power, mixture, herb, and hybrid. He even poured a little paraffin upon the bitten toe and put a match to it. I watched the flame feeding on my mother. I watched the holy man perform his rites to tame the poison with an incantation. Incantation is magic. After 20 hours, it lost its sting. More candles, more lanterns, more neighbors, more insects, repetition, lot of repetition. So he wants to say more and more people come with candles and lanterns. His mother is, however, crying and rolling on the mat with severe pain, but nobody cares for her except for his father, who is a septic rationalist. He leaves no stone unturned to cure her. He uses powder, mixture, herb, and hybrid to help her recover from the pain. He even poured a little paraffin upon the bitten toe and then fires it up. The poet watches the flames of fire burning on the skin of his mother. He also watches the holy men. Holy men are ojhas, perform his rites to tame the poison with an incantation, magic. The phrase again refers to superstitious people of his village who believe in irrational measures to cure a person. His mother ultimately recovers from the poison after 24 hours. My mother only said, "Thank God the Scorpio picked on me and spared my children." This is the Indian thought. The last line is quite emotional and heart touching. It reflects the motherhood of a lady. The poet says that after recovering from the poison, his mother's fervor, "Thank God, the scorpion picked on me." That scorpion bitten me, and spared my children, not my children. Even in such condition, his mother remains more concerned about the safety and health of her children. Christopher Wiseman, who is a critic, highly admires Night of the Scorpion for technical innovations and excellence. The poem demonstrates a deliberate attempt at formal innovation by using a loose, seemingly free verse narrative structure. It is much more relaxed and open work than poet's formal poetry, with a new quality of natural colloquialism in diction and tone. In the poem, the abandonment of capitals at the start of each line, the dramatic casualness of the recalled crisis, the long paragraph set off abruptly from the three lines climax, all of which give the Night of the Scorpion a new feel, a sense of unhurried, lucid progression through time. It is an interesting and very valid poem containing a fascinating tension between personal crisis and mocking social observation, but the discrepancies of form confuse the tone, which swings between the natural and colloquial reporting of experience and more removed literary formality. And yet, for all the problems, a real voice is heard in this poem with its own rhythm and cadence. "They said" has been repeated for 4 times in the lines quoted above. These two words from the choric refrain in this poem and have an ironic implication. The poet has to emphasize the indomitable force of darkness gripping the minds of superstition and unenlightened farmers. The repetition of more and more candles, more lanterns, more neighbors, more insects conveys the ideas of identify indefinite and excessive numbers. The imagery of the poem is vivid, sensitive, and suggestive. That is all in this video. Thank you very much.